Give me 30 seconds, and I'll show you a drill that quietly replaces most of the tools in your drawer, while making everyday repairs feel surprisingly controlled and precise. There's a reason compact smart drills are becoming the new standard. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence. Today, we're looking at the Hoto 16v Brushless Power Drill, a compact yet highly capable cordless drill designed for home users, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone who wants reliable performance without the complexity of heavy professional tools. The purchase link is in the description for easy access. This is not just about drilling holes. It's about having a tool that adapts to your work, protects your materials, and gives you confidence even if you're not experienced with power tools. Here are the reasons to buy the Hoto 16v Brushless Power Drill. Reason 1. Smart control that actually prevents mistakes. What stands out immediately is the intelligent digital interface. The LED display gives you real-time feedback on torque levels, battery status, and mode selection. With 32 precise torque settings and auto-stop technology, the drill reduces the risk of stripping screws or damaging surfaces. This is especially valuable for beginners or anyone working on finished furniture or delicate materials. Reason 2. Consistent brushless performance with real torque strength. Inside, you get a 16-volt brushless motor delivering up to 50 Nm of torque. In practical use, that means it handles wood, plastic, and light metal tasks with ease. The dual speed range of 400 to 1,700 revolutions per minute gives you flexibility, slow and controlled for driving screws, or faster performance for drilling. It feels stable in hand, with less vibration than many traditional drills in this category. Reason 3. Thoughtful design built for everyday convenience. The 3/8-inch keyless chuck allows quick bit changes without tools, and the integrated LED light makes a noticeable difference when working in tight corners or low-light areas. It's a small detail, but it improves accuracy and reduces frustration. The overall design is lightweight, balanced, and clearly focused on home usability rather than industrial bulk. Reason 4. Complete accessory kit for immediate use. Out of the box, you're not left searching for extras. You get 10 screwdriver bits, multiple drill bits for wood and metal, a ceramic bit, and an extension rod. Everything is organized and ready, making it a practical solution for home repairs, furniture assembly, and small renovation tasks. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, this all-in-one approach is one of its strongest advantages. Reason 5. Reliable battery life with modern charging. The 1,900 mAh battery is designed for extended household use, and USB-C charging makes it convenient to power up almost anywhere. For typical DIY tasks, it holds a charge well and avoids the constant interruptions of lower-quality cordless tools. Final verdict. The Hoto 16v Brushless Power Drill isn't trying to compete with heavy-duty construction drills, and that's exactly its strength. It focuses on control, safety, and usability. The limitations are clear. It's not meant for industrial-grade continuous drilling. But for home users, apartment living, furniture assembly, and general repairs, it fits the role exceptionally well. It stands out because it removes complexity and replaces it with clarity and confidence. If you're someone who values precision, ease of use, and a clean, modern tool experience, this is a very solid choice. And if it matches your needs, the link is available in the description for your convenience. Take your time, review it carefully, and choose with confidence.